Good morning. Yes, let me see that pump again. Yeesh. We're feeling amazing. New Drake dropped last night. That's always gonna get you.
Right. I'm switching plans.
Oh my God, they caught me slipping once. Okay, so what? So what, that new Drake? We should have reaction videos, only to Drake though. To Drake, the reaction to, yeah, and Nicki, of course. Thanks. Sunday, keeping it light. We unemployed now, you already know the vibes.
Right.
So just doing yoga and food.
Get some pancakes. Can you please take me to Walmart so I can get some sugar-free?
See, she's still trying to be half on a diet. I can't do it.
It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, but can you? I gotta take the stuff off.
So that, I mean, that is
take
kind of,
pictures?
that's kind of good though, right? So we're gonna be off the diet or whatever this morning, and instead of eating the regular sugar that is literally syrup that is literally hundreds of calories worth of calories, whatever, we could get sugar-free 0-calorie syrup, put it on ourselves. It's gonna taste the same and have like save like 500 calories in our diet.
For real, because I like syrup on pancakes, and if I eat the syrup that they have at the restaurant, it's gonna be way too many calories, and I can just go get 0-calorie stuff, put it on the pancake, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, boom. Yoga is real therapeutic. It gets your mind centered. It's great if you can do it on a weekly basis. That's how we do it.
Right, yoga is great.
And we go to the same instructor every week with our mom. So it's a great experience, bonding experience, exercise experience. And if you think that yoga is easy, go to another yoga class. Your yoga should never be easy. It should not be easy. It should be really challenging.
Right.
A lot of first-time yoga people always say that it's easy, but in our experience, it's not if you've got a great instructor or if you're going to a true yoga studio. No shade, no tea to other kind of yogas, but real yoga is not easy.
You said the YMCA yoga is not.
And where I started, humble beginnings, definitely started at the YMCA 10, 15 years ago, but as evolving in the practice is definitely not easy if you're going to a real yoga studio.
It's gonna be a good morning. Got a ton of work to do. A ton. Literally a ton. I should probably get on it.
Yeah.
Really good.
Let's enjoy this day before real unemployment starts tomorrow.
Raise your right hand up. Now get the head back, right? So lean your head, the roof of your mouth back further, and find balance through the front and the back of your body. As you exhale, bring the hand back to the mat. Downward facing
You used to go
dog.
up on Mulholland Drive
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Walk your feet.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is what you were broken for.
Right, having
Inhale,
directors interested
lift
in
halfway forward.
people that I
Bring your
respected,
hands to the sides of your hip bones.
saying, I'd like
Lifting
to
your
work or
shoulders,
whatever
pressing
that
down
is,
your
and
Now push the tailbone
visualize
down.
things coming to me that I
Fingers in
wanted or
the
whatever.
corner
Drive
of
home
the
and think,
belly.
well, I do have these
From
things.
the belly,
They're out there. I just
slowly rise
have
up.
hold of them yet. They're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5
Keep the
years.
point and lower the right foot down in front.
And
Raise it onto your toes.
I dated at
You need to
Thanksgiving
move to a wall and
1995.
come
Just
to hold on for balance. That's
Thanksgiving
it.
1995.
Your arms out in
I
front of your
was
shoulder.
$10 million.
From your fingertips, pull backward until you feel your arms connected to your shoulder joint. Now as you exhale, I want you to squat down and try to sit straight down between your legs. So you're not going forward or back. And then inhale, rise back up. Exhale, lower the hands. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, squat, so the arms stay in front of your chest, sort of like a zombie. Inhale, rise back up. 2 more times, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, coming up all the way. Good, now lower your left heel back to the mat. And raise your right leg and hold on to the shin. Push your shin forward. But the focus is rooting your left thigh backward. And you're moving from the inner thigh like you did in down dog. And that's actually accessing earth and water very similarly. Adjust the grip under your right thigh. You need to raise your fingers under the hamstring. Flex the ankle and push your right leg down toward the floor. Rise up through your spine. And then stretch your right foot forward slowly. And it may or may not stretch straight. Focus on keeping your left leg back and strong, back and strong. Good. Bend your knee, plant the foot down on the floor. Mountain pose. Pause. Stay. And second side, tap your left foot forward. Hands to the hips. Raise your left foot. Flex and point. Your eyes steady. What's going on with your breath? So balancing becomes a really important set of practices for people with hair. You want to definitely be grounded. Point your toes, lower the left foot, raise your heels.
Yeah, great stretch.
Great workout.
Calories. And sugar free is 15 calories. So you can get 0.
You can't get 0.
Right. You can get 0.
You happy?
Yeah, now I can cheat on my diet a little bit.
Yes.
Cheating myself.
Shut up. Just shut up.
They ain't gonna wipe it though. Hi, Tony.
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
You passed me the syrup. Y'all, doesn't my food look so good? And my own syrup. You have food on your mouth?
Yes. You better get into it.
It was so good.
It was so good. That was go to bed good.
Right, my
Like, I'm
eyes
tired. I'm so tired.
But it's March 1st, so
it's March 1st. We already did the intro. Okay,
right.
yeah, March 1st, hitting it hard. Tomorrow, as of tomorrow, we are unemployed.
right. So
As of today, we are just 2 girls about town. And we're not going to think about tomorrow yet.
right.
But tomorrow we are unemployed.
But we still got the haircloset.com.
Yeah. But it's a whole business. That's a whole business. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a whole business. But no walk-in, no standalone, no nothing like that.
Hey.
Young B said we need some better, more honest, original content for our vlog. So it don't be boring. Hey, Daddy.
What's up?
Hey, Daddy. So it don't be boring. So we come across real. She said all of our old stuff that we just used to post on Instagram was way more better because we wasn't trying to vlog. So we need to be more us and obviously shorter, 6 to 10 minutes,
Right.
and more real.
What does that mean? What, she want to be in all the vlogs?
No, she was just talking about us. Damn, bitch. More like this, more of that attitude, but like not always bitchy, cause you know, come across fake. Cause
How is that
she didn't say that at all. That's what I'm saying.
I don't feel like it was fake. I feel like it was really real. Like, that's just who.
Yeah, but also dry. You know, we have to watch our. I think it's okay to watch our mouths.
No, I think.
No. Listen to the person who's
Right, but I
watching.
think we actually need to go places. Like,
Yeah.
if it's gonna be day to day, it's gonna be dry. Because it's just day to day.
But you can make it better.
In what way though? If we actually don't go nowhere, what if we actually don't go nowhere?
Oh,
then
okay,
what?
yes, Scan.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you know, me and you was doing daily vlogs, so she ain't say nothing was wrong with where we went, our content, where we filmed. She didn't say nothing was wrong other than when they're shorter. Obviously, like our Instagram usually does numbers, especially like even the Miami one. But I had hashtag Housewives of Atlanta. Like I got a lot of views on my regular page, just from like regular versions of us.
Okay, but I think that's also because it was Miami and niggas got more to do.
It
like
looks just-
Charlotte was like a day. Literally, Charlotte was like 12 hours.
Does it go down tomorrow?
So it's not
Yeah.
about to be. It's not gonna be, you know, lit like that.
It don't have to be lit. The girl not saying lit. Niggas is we just gonna do good with the where I can dress nice. Young B.
Oh, hey. I'm back again.
Yes, girl, you back. Okay, so what'd you think about our first vlog, the long one?
Okay, so everybody knows I'm my sister's biggest supporters. They're
Yes, you
very
are.
Funny.
Yes.
They're very talented. When I watched it, I thought it was a little long.
Oh,
so
shit.
How long was it?
It was 48 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh Lord.
So fairly long. And so I guess for me, personally, I've been a fan of theirs. They've been vlogging for a long time, actually 5+ years. Check out their Instagram feed. They have a lot of great videos, road trip videos. And so when I was watching it, I was thinking it was going to be similar to those, you know, the prior vlogs. But it was some great content. It's a lot of great information in there. The only thing I said was I want to know why we should subscribe to your vlog. Like, what is it as a subscriber I should get? Me personally, they're hilarious. So I want to watch them because they're hilarious, they're funny, they're dope, they're inspirational. But I don't know if a lot of people know that. And so because the video was 48 minutes, I hated that I don't think you all got to see that, right? I felt like you saw like, whoa, okay. And so my message or my feedback was more so just like, hey, what do you think your vlog is for? Why should I watch you? Like, why am I subscribing to you? Tell me, what is it that I should get from you? You're dope, you're a businesswoman, you're inspirational, and you're transitioning to a new sector, what you're getting ready to do, and you want me to follow you on your journey. Well, how do you best convey that to me? Well, the first thing I say is keep it brief. And the second thing I say is be yourself. And so I was just saying that I just wanted them to be their authentic selves because they're dope. So there are a lot of great vloggers out there, but there are none like Toy and Nikki. And so
That's your vlog.
follow them.
Yeah. Yeah, and I agree, and that's what we're gonna be working on, trying to find out what our voices are, our authentic voices, our no wig voices, because I ain't got a wig on, and conveying that message.
Yes.
Ooh. So I'm get Nicole, because we about to end the vlog right here.
Yeah, most certainly.
We're gonna end the vlog on thinking about how we're gonna continue the vlog. Yeah.
Oh, she said why?
Why? Tell her I want to end the vlog.
She wants to end the vlog.
That's what happened when you got two people on one vlog. Two people, one vlog.
But subscribe to it, hit
That
the
is blowing.
notification.
Yeah.
Follow, comment, share. It's all love, and it'll be cool. I'm really excited to see where it goes. YouTube.com. Check it out.
Oh, by the way, Nicole.
Yeah. And by the way, I'm Bianca. I'm Bia.
Yes,
Hey.
Bia. Everybody know Bia.
Hey, Bia.
Bia makes our videos more lit, more laughing. Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
No, but it's great energy, great people.
Yes, I'm gonna end the vlog later because she don't want to end the vlog right now. We're gonna end it in a minute.
Okay,
This crazy bitch. Let's end the vlog here. We're not gonna end it, but let's just say the end the vlog part. All right, that was our day. The end of the vlog.